All right, so we have a circuit here with a power supply of 10 volts. We have an ammeter here, and we have two resistors that are in series. There's the 2 ohm and the 3 ohm resistor. So we have three questions here. Calculate the total resistance, calculate the total current, as well as the voltage in the 3 ohm resistor. So how do we find the total resistance? Now keep in mind that these two are in series. Now when resistors are in series, total resistance just equal to resistance 1 plus resistance 2 and so on up to resistance Rn. Rn means it's the number of resistors that are there. Again, between it is fine. Now here we only have got two of them, so we're just going to end on R1 and the R2. So this should be 2 ohm and 3 ohm resistor. So we are getting our total resistance as 5 ohms. Just like that, and you are done with the part A. Now going to part B is asking us to find the total current. Recall from Ohm's law that the voltage is equal to the product of the current and the resistance. Now looking for the current, if we make it the subject of the formula, we get voltage over resistance. And the voltage given here is actually 10 volts. So we put 10 volts there. And we are dividing resistance. Now this resistance, let me just indicate RT so that we know which one we are getting. We are going to get this one in A. We are going to put 5 ohms there. Now we know that voltage over resistance, that just gives you current, which is an ampere. So we are getting 2 amps or 2 amperes. And that is the total current. Now question C is, how do we find the voltage in the 3 ohm resistor? Now you might be wondering that we know that to find voltage, we need current and the resistance. That's all. To find voltage, we need current and the resistance. Now, because these two are in what? Are in a series, here current is the same. So current here is equal to current flowing there. So the current is the same here. In series, current is the same. We're going to put 2 multiplied by resistance. The resistance of this friend of ours is actually 3. This will give us what? 6 volts as the voltage. Can you fail to find the voltage flowing in this one there? In case you're wondering how to go about that one, since we know the total and we know what is flowing here, since there's 6 there and the total is there, can you fail to find here? Just say 10 minus 6, you get a 4. So this is how much is following there and how much is following there. The total voltage should be giving you what was given in the beginning. Now you know. Subscribe and follow for more.